A long, long time ago, there was this a native or Indian or Cherokee, they call it. Well, he was hunter, and he would hunt food for his wife and his son, and so he'd hunt. And at first, he'd just find it real close, didn't have to go very far. She would cook it, and they would store it to get him through for quite a while. Then he'd go out again, but each time he'd find stuff, and finally get to where he had to go farther out. And he got farther and farther as the game got scarce for some reason, and he was kind of wearing, and all that stuff. So finally, he came home, and his wife said, "Why don't you talk to your creator?" And so I said, "I guess I could do that." So he went out there and outside, walked away, and sat down, settled down. Then he started talking to the creator. And the creator said, "I'm going to tell you what to do here to solve that situation, and it will help you in the future too. So you always have something good to eat." He said, "Tomorrow, go out there away from your house, away from where you live, and sit there, just sit and wait. And there's going to be 4 live animals come walking by you. Don't shoot the first one, and don't shoot the second one, don't shoot the third one, but the 4th you shoot." So he sat out there and heard the big noises, and he saw a real big animal walk by, and he was tempted to shoot it because so big, so much food there in it that could last a long time. And so he went on by because he was tempted to shoot it, but he didn't. And the other one came by. It was big too, but not as great a size as the other one. And so he thought he should have shot the big one. He was tempted to shoot the second one because it might get smaller. It may not be like the first one. And the third one, a little smaller than the other 2. So he just knew, he kind of condemned himself like, I should have shot that first one when I first seen it, things like that, And so he waited, but I'm not supposed to shoot till the 4th one. So, and the 4th one was a little bitty thing, came walking through the woods, But he shot it anyway because the rest of them were gone, so he didn't have much choice. And then when he did that, he noticed there were some other ones laying around. The big one that went by him, the largest one that went by, was laying over there. So he went to the big one, but it's so tough that he couldn't cut it up. So this is going to take too long. So he went to the next one. The same thing too, it took too long. So he went to the 3rd one. Finally he went back to the little one, and that was easier. So he laid the skin out there and cut it up, put it on the skin and wrapped it up and took it home. He said, "So this is about all I could get. It's small, but it's all I could get." And his wife said, "Turn around." And when he turned around, he saw there was a great big one, the largest one. It's all wrapped up in a bundle like his little bundle. So it had about large bundle, big bundle, and me a side bundle. So all that came with him. He didn't know it.
What's the moral of the story?
What they used to tell me was that when you listen to your creator, and believe in the creator and be obedient to the creator, he provides everything you need. So no matter how little it seems, it's always more than enough.